You know what I love? Slack. Microsoft Teams ain't got nothing on this, mainly because it doesn't have this amazing integration from Testimonial.to. If you go to Testimonial.to's website, you can see very clearly that there is an ability to try it for free. So in order to integrate with Slack, what you're gonna need to do is go to one of your example spaces. And then if you press automation here, you'll see that there's HubSpot, Slack, and a bunch of other integrations. So we just click Slack here and you can add to Slack. For example, I'm gonna go to my workspace. So I'm gonna pick this Rise Productive one, press allow. And you can see right here, it says connected. Then I can go to any message. And if you see right here, if I press this 3 dots, more message shortcuts, and I press this right here, then I can look for any message that would serve as a testimonial to me and my business. But if I go to a message here, for example, inside of my Slack, press more actions, and then press save to testimonial, you can see Damon talking about my smooth voice. And if I press Dimitri, add to wall of love, and then submit. Oh, thank you. I appreciate the congratulations, Leonardo. Mr. DiCaprio, you're a real one. If I press on this open a new window, it shows the gift that doesn't really matter. But more importantly, if you go into my testimonial account, you can see that Damon and his imported from Slack testimonial are here. And I can add different tags to it, share it, download it, and do everything else that I can do, usually with testimonials in Testimonial.to. This integration is awesome. I'm a huge fan of the way that we were so easily able to update our testimonial account just by simple correspondence that I was able to have with a client. This is exactly like something you can do for your own business, and I'd recommend you trying out the Testimonial.to Slack integration today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out this video on how to improve your Testimonial.to skills even more.